Hi, my name's Andy McIntyre, and I'm a data scientist at AIDA, the Acadia Institute for Data Analytics, and the Data Runway. See if I can figure this out. AIDA was founded in 2016 by Dr. Danny Silver, and it's him as a director, myself as a data scientist, and our colleague Kalani Tupper, who make up the group today. We're located at the Rural Innovation Center, right on the Acadia campus. So what is AIDA? Well, first off, AIDA is a university institute. We're not a research center, so we work directly with startups and established companies alike that are interested in using data analytics and machine learning technology to create products and services and build a competitive advantage. So our mission is to advance knowledge in data analytics through collaboration, interdisciplinary research, education, and outreach. Secondly, to foster ethical application and commercialization of data analytics and solutions. So how do we go about this? Well, the Data Runway Initiative, funded by the province of Nova Scotia and Acadia University, is about building on our past success and on our process. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about that. Our process is shown here in several steps, and we provide expertise and tools to help companies get through this process. So imagine a scenario you wanted to better characterize and predict mortality of lobster on the arrival at the retail market. We might suggest that data be collected about things like capture, storage, and transportation. And the goal in this scenario would be to create models that can predict post-capture fitness in terms of survival and quality of the lobster. In this way, our typical process would be involving, suggesting what to collect in terms of data at the lowest level. Secondly, we'd assist in data preparation, leading to modeling and mining approaches that provide visualization and essentially data knowledge. So that's a little bit about our process. I'll give you a few real-world examples of how this has been applied with great success. Firstly, predicting cantaloupe, melons based on weather conditions, stream flow rate prediction based on environmental data, solar forecasts from environmental data like cloud cover, sports analytics, predicting things like athletes' performance, field object and cover classification type from overhead imagery, predicting lumber type and volume from natural resource data, harvest mass estimation based on plant imagery data, and finally we've done some work with vertical farm harvest in terms of yield optimization. So I'd be looking forward to talking to everyone this afternoon and seeing you over lunch. Thanks so much.